Hello programmers, welcome again. So today I will solve the F-nong problem, which is digit summation. Let's open it. So in this problem it says given two numbers n and m, print the summation of their last digits. So here it says the value of n and m can be 10 to the power 18, so we have to take long. So here I have to take two value n and m. So this is a simple problem. Basically what it asks me. So first of all I have to find the last digit. So here for the first number the last digit is 3, and for the second number the last digit is 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So this is the answer, and we can easily calculate the last digit using modulus operator. So let's do this. So at first copy the question name, create a file using this. Okay, then hash include bits slash std c plus plus dot h using namespace std. These are main. Then take long nm in right shift nm. So I take the input values. So now calculate the last digit of the 13 and 12, basically n and m, and sum it up. Okay, so I can directly do this. So cout n modulus 10 plus m modulus 10. So this will give me the last digit and sum it up. So what can I do now? Just wrap it inside first bracket. So okay, done. And you can also do the this one, everything inside another first bracket. Okay, so let's test this. Open in indicated terminal. Okay, cls g plus plus digits summation. Okay, enter. Build successful. So run it. So give input 13 and 12. So this is 5 and this is output. So I can now submit it. So browse data types and this is summation. Open and submit. Okay, reload the browser. I think I don't need it actually. Okay, this one is accepted. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Tata, bye bye.